baby, she is looking like a let's go out this weekend.
So back, I had a baby, you know. I did the mother thing, I did the wife thing, all that, yeah.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your girl CBunny. If you are new here, I do hauls, wig reviews, product reviews, and much more lifestyle videos and y'all, some everything sis on this channel. But today you guys, I will be reviewing. I'm so excited about reviewing this wig, y'all. Read by the title, so if you want to know more about this unit as much as I do, go ahead and continue watching. So you guys, I was excited. Janet Collection reached out to your girl. They reached out to the bunny. So I am going to be reviewing the HD Natural Deep Part Lace Wig. This is 100% a natural virgin Remy human hair. And you can pretty much shampoo, perm, bleach, whatever you want to do, sis, to this unit. And it's claiming to be soft Swiss lace, pre-plucked hairline. Cute little box. I didn't get any scissors. So yeah, this is my first time opening. I peeked in it a little bit, guys, but I didn't like take it. I didn't do none of this, as you guys see. So this is first impressions on this unit. You already know on my channel, even though they reached out to me, I still give my viewers my opinion on how I feel about everything I review on my channel. So before I take off of this, it does say it's transparent lace for a seamless blend with any skin tone or color. Deep part, natural deep parting lace space for styling naturally. A pre-plucked natural density hairline for a realistic appearance. Added baby hairs to complete the look. Soft Swiss lace, perfect for the meltdown with any lace adhesive. So, yes. Care prescriptions on the unit as well. Yes. So let's just stick her on. This is how she looks. 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, your normal stuff, adjustable straps. So let me just try her on. See. So you guys, this is how she looks straight on. Do not mind my cap. I do have on a light cap, but I did push it back a little bit. So yeah, this is how she's looking. I want to say she's probably about 18 to 20 inches long. Y'all know I'm 5'2". It's about right there. She is big haired, friendly. I still got my hair sticking out, but I don't think I'm gonna do nothing to the hairline. I may do something a little bit, but it looks pretty good, guys. Of course, the lace is pretty too light. I gotta, you know, blend it in, of course. Yeah, I may play with this part a little bit. Yeah, so let's see. And I will give you guys my end result, how I really feel about this unit at the end. But yeah, so let's just get her right, sis.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. You can't deny, I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and
So you guys, this is the end result, you guys. She is gorgeous. I said she probably like an 18. I believe she's in between 20 and 22. I didn't have no problems. Like, the hair is very, very soft. They have problems with the lace. Guys, the only issue that I kind of have is, the only con I can say, guys, is it kind of humps up right in this area. But I did take my flat iron and I kind of like went in the back. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's kind of humpy right there, like it's extra space. That's why I don't know if it's because of the cap. And I know my head big. I don't know if this is an extra large cap, but I don't know. But it fits good too, because I didn't just like do a lot to have her on my head. Like, I just put a little bit of the got to be, as you guys seen. I'm getting a little fly away. I absolutely love her because kinky straight. I love kinky. I love yaky type of texture. I love this type of hair. I really love it, this type of hair, you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys. Also, you guys, I want to add, I will leave links down below where you can purchase her. So don't forget to check my description box. And I just want to say thanks, Janet Collection, for letting me test out this unit, baby, because I love her, like, period. So yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and